Jadi kan ada pembelajaran chronology, senyawa, sama juga asosiasi. Kan cepat ya. Itu mau memakan orang berapa? Yang penting
Morning everyone, my name is Hanik as moderator today and I'm with my colleagues team. Hello everyone, my name is Salma and Salsabila as the presenter. I started as the presenter. And Sasti Mustiana as
Antonius Jody as the presenter.
together we have been working diligently to bring you comprehensive review, presentation on the example of single case custody of girls. So without any further ado, let's begin the presentation. First is quick questions. I want to tell you about the general of this case. First is what case? The case is about the Derajat lost to Haji Faisal regarding the custody of his grandson Sky. And who's in charge this case? The case in charge the Derajat, Haji Faisal and Sky. And where the case is held? The case is held in Jakarta Religious Court. And when the case is Thursday, April 14, 2022. And why this case can why this Derajat argued that Sky Adiansa was a orphan, and how this Derajat indicate that he will find an appeal regarding the custody right. November 4, 2021, Parisa and Meilani Thank you for your attention during this presentation. Now I want to open the Q&A session. Please raise your hand if you want to start from number 1. Come to the end of the show. Please share insight and information about custody of girls time. Additionally, the feedback is really important to us. Thank you once again for your participation and attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Hanik Saputri as your moderator today and I'm with my colleges team. Together we have been working diligently to bring you a comprehensive and engaging presentation on the example of civil case, the custody of girls. Before we begin, I'd like to share the vocabulary hack that you guys can read it on PowerPoint, and without any further ado, let's begin the presentation.
Hi, it's me Sely Meilani Salsabila, and I will explain the quick lesson from this case. As we know, this case is very phenomenal at 2022. We can see the news at the newspaper, magazine, television, social media, and other media. I think you all still remember with this case. So, I want to refresh your memories about this case with 6 questions like what, when, why, who, where, and how. First, what case? Me and Moderator before have been mentioned the case. The case is about Todi Sudrajat lost to Haji Faisal. 1, 2 regarding the custody of his grandson Gala Andriansa. And next is who's included. There are Haji Faisal, Todi Sudrajat, and Gala. Next, where the case held. The case held at West Jakarta Religious Court. Both of Dodi Sudrajat and Haji Faisal are Muslims, so the civil case between them is solved at religious court. And next is when the final decision is decided. The final decision is decided at Thursday, 14 April 2022. Next, why? Why this custody battle can happen? Okay, Dodi Sudrajat argued that Gala Sky Andriansyah was an orphan. Actually, Haji Faisal had similar reason, but both of them didn't want to raise Gala Sky together. So this is why the custody battle can happen. And the last question, how? Dodi Sudrajat indicated that he will file an appeal regarding to Gala Sky custody right. So I think that's all that I can explain to you. And let's moving to the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, and the next is the chronology. On November 4, 2021, Vanessa and her husband February were both killed in a car accident. On November 7, 2021, in front of the media crew, Febri Ardiansa family gave the latest update about Gala condition, which is healthy. Aun's two younger siblings, Fuji and Fadli Faisal, looked after Vanessa Angel first child while in Surabaya before finally leaving for Jakarta on November 8, 2021. Febri Ardiansa family then applied for Gala custody to the West Jakarta Religious Court or PA West Jakarta on Monday, November 15, 2021. In the letter, the applicant was Febri father Faisal. When we apply for a letter of insurance, there must be a letter of guardianship. So Mr. Dodi or Vanessa father and I submitted a letter of joint guardianship, which I will later guardian over, said Faisal as quote from intense investigation on Saturday, November 20, 2021.
Related article in this case is Article 50, Paragraph 1 of Law Number 1 of 1974, which discusses the main marriage, which reads, children who haven't reached the age of 18 or have never been married who are not under the rule of parents are under the control of guardian. The guardianship is about the person of the child concerned as well as his property.
Okay, the next is settlement. The fight for custody of Gala Sky has been declared final. The court has handed over custody of the children of the late Vanessa Angel and Bibi Adriansyah to Faisal. Faisal stated that he had received the decision letter from the West Jakarta Religious Court regarding the guardianship right dispute.
Hi, I'm Rahail and now I will explain the final decision and punishment of this civil case. On April 13, 2022, the panel of judges at West Jakarta Religious Court decided to grant all claims from the plaintiff. Faisal, as the father of Febri Adriansyah, giving full custody and guardianship of Gala Sky to Haji Faisal and Dewi, but Faisal obligated to provide access to the defendant Dodi Sudrajat to meet his grandson. After this decision, Haji Faisal continued to express his gratitude after receiving custody of the son of the late Vanessa Angel and Febri Adriansyah. Haji Faisal also thanked to the legal team who always accompanied him in his struggle to obtain custody of Gala. Thank you.
Quiz time! True or false? Ardiansyah's family applied for Gala's custody to the West Jakarta Religious Court. The answer is true. True or false? Custody will be determined based on Dodi Sudrajat's needs and interests. The answer is false. false. Next, true or false. Gala's initial custody hearing will be held 3 weeks from the submission schedule. Answer is false. Next, true or false. Haji Faisal is Vanessa Angel's father. Answer is false. Next question. True or false? Bibi Ardiansyah has 2 siblings. The answer is true. Choose the right answer. What was the outcome of the custody battle between Dodi Sudrajat and Haji Faisal regarding Gala Sky Adriansyah at the West Jakarta Religious Court on Thursday, April 14, 2022? The court has not issued a final decision yet. Next, choose the right answer. When did Dodi Sudrajat indicate his intention to file an appeal regarding Gala's custody rights, and where was this revelation made? The answer is B. On November 7, 2021, during a television talk show. Next question. Choose the right answer. Who are the key individuals involved in this custody dispute, and what roles do they play in Gala Sky Adriansyah's life? The answer is E. Dodi Sudrajat, Gala's grandfather, and Haji Faisal, Gala's uncle. Next question. Why did Dodi Sudrajat argue that Gala Sky Adriansyah is an orphan? And how did this argument factor into the custody battle? The answer is B. Gala's parents passed away in a car accident, making him an orphan. Last question. How did this situation evolve from Aunt Ardiansyah's family applying for Gala's custody to both Dodi Sudrajat and Haji Faisal filing custody claims separately in different courts? And the answer is B. Dodi Sudrajat initiated the separate custody claim in Central Jakarta. It's all done. Thank you.
The end of the show. It's been a pleasure sharing insight and information about the custody of Gala Sky with you. Additionally, your feedback is really important to us. Once again, thank you for your attention.